Ever wonder why some people seem to have boundless energy, glowing skin, and a sharp mind? The secret often lies in what they eat. Healthy eating isn't about strict dieting or deprivation. It's about making smart food choices that fuel your body and mind. What you put on your plate affects your mood, energy, and long-term health. The good news: eating healthy doesn't have to be complicated or boring. Here are 10 simple yet powerful tips to transform the way you eat, feel, and live. 10. Prioritize whole foods. The best meals come from nature, not a package. Whole foods like fresh fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, lean proteins, and whole grains are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber that keep your body functioning at its best. Processed foods, on the other hand, are often stripped of nutrients and filled with unhealthy additives, excessive salt, and artificial sugars that can lead to weight gain, inflammation, and sluggishness. Choosing whole foods means fewer preservatives, fewer artificial ingredients, and better digestion. When shopping, stick to the perimeter of the grocery store, where fresh foods like produce, meat, and dairy are found. Preparing meals at home using whole ingredients gives you control over what you eat, reducing unhealthy extras. Plus, whole foods are naturally more filling, helping you avoid unnecessary snacking. The more natural your food, the more your body will thank you. 9. Eat the rainbow. Your plate should look like a vibrant work of art. Different colors in fruits and vegetables represent different nutrients. Red foods like tomatoes and strawberries contain lycopene for heart health. Green vegetables like spinach and broccoli are packed with fiber and detoxifying chlorophyll, while orange foods like carrots and sweet potatoes are rich in beta-carotene for eye health. A colorful diet helps boost your immune system, improves skin health, and provides antioxidants that fight aging and disease. The deeper and brighter the color, the more phytonutrients it contains. Each color plays a unique role in supporting your body's various functions. Instead of eating the same foods every day, experiment with different fruits and vegetables to diversify your nutrient intake. Try adding berries to your breakfast, leafy greens to your lunch, and roasted vegetables to your dinner. The more variety, the better your overall health. 8. Stay hydrated with water. Before reaching for that soda or energy drink, consider this: your body is about 60% water, and every function depends on it. Dehydration can lead to fatigue, headaches, constipation, and even poor mental focus. Many times, we mistake thirst for hunger, leading to unnecessary snacking. Drinking enough water helps keep your metabolism running smoothly, flushes out toxins, and keeps your skin glowing. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day, but adjust based on your activity level and climate. Carry a reusable water bottle with you as a reminder to drink throughout the day. If plain water feels boring, infuse it with lemon, cucumber, mint, or berries for a refreshing twist. Herbal teas and coconut water are also great hydrating alternatives. Staying hydrated also aids in digestion and prevents bloating, making it easier to maintain a healthy weight. Water is truly the foundation of good health, so never underestimate its power. 7. Control portion sizes. Even healthy food can lead to weight gain if eaten in excess. Portion control is key to maintaining a balanced diet and preventing overeating. Instead of piling your plate high, use smaller dishes, serve appropriate portions, and listen to your hunger cues. Many people eat out of habit, boredom, or stress rather than true hunger. Mindful eating, paying attention to flavors, textures, and fullness signals, can help prevent overconsumption. A good rule of thumb is to fill half your plate with vegetables, a quarter with lean protein, and a quarter with whole grains. Eating slowly and chewing your food thoroughly allows your brain to recognize fullness before you overeat. When dining out, consider sharing meals or packing half your portion to go. By being mindful of how much you eat, you can enjoy your favorite foods without feeling guilty. 6. Limit added sugars. Sugar hides in more foods than you realize: sodas, cereals, flavored yogurts, and even salad dressings. Too much sugar spikes your blood sugar levels, leading to energy crashes, weight gain, and an increased risk of diabetes. Refined sugars offer empty calories with no nutritional benefit. Instead of processed sweets, opt for natural alternatives like honey, dates, or fresh fruits, which provide fiber and essential nutrients. Check food labels carefully, as sugar goes by many names, including high fructose corn syrup, cane sugar, and dextrose. Reducing sugar intake not only helps with weight management, but also improves mood, skin clarity, and brain function. Try gradually cutting back by using less sugar in coffee, choosing unsweetened versions of your favorite snacks, and avoiding sugary drinks. The less sugar you consume, the less your body will crave it. 5. Choose healthy fats. Not all fats are bad. In fact, your brain and body need healthy fats to function properly. Avocados, olive oil, nuts, seeds, and fatty fish like salmon provide essential omega-3 acids that support heart health, reduce inflammation, and improve cognitive function. Healthy fats help keep you full, reducing cravings for unhealthy snacks. On the other hand, trans fats and highly processed oils found in fried foods, fast food, and packaged snacks can increase bad cholesterol levels and contribute to heart disease. Cooking with olive oil or coconut oil instead of vegetable oils is a simple way to make a healthier swap. Including a handful of nuts or seeds in your diet daily can provide lasting energy and essential nutrients. Embracing good fats leads to better overall well-being. 4. Eat more fiber-rich foods. Fiber is your digestive system's best friend. Whole grains, legumes, vegetables, and fruits keep your gut healthy, prevent constipation, and help you feel full longer. High-fiber diets regulate blood sugar levels, lower cholesterol, and reduce the risk of heart disease. Unlike processed foods, fiber-rich foods take longer to digest, preventing sudden hunger spikes. Start your day with oats, include beans in your meals, and snack on raw veggies. Fiber also promotes healthy gut bacteria, which play a key role in immunity and digestion. If you're not used to eating fiber-rich foods, gradually increase your intake to avoid bloating or discomfort. 3. Plan your meals in advance. One of the biggest pitfalls of unhealthy eating is last-minute decisions. When hunger strikes, you're more likely to grab fast food or snacks. Meal prepping ensures you always have nutritious options available, reducing the temptation of unhealthy choices. Plan your meals for the week, grocery shop accordingly, and prepare portions in advance. Batch cooking grains, chopping veggies, and storing healthy snacks can save time and keep you on track. Having ready-to-eat meals prevents stress eating and helps you make smarter food choices. 2. Don't skip breakfast. Breakfast sets the tone for your entire day. A well-balanced breakfast with protein, fiber, and healthy fats stabilizes blood sugar levels, prevents mid-morning cravings, and improves focus. Skipping breakfast often leads to overeating later in the day. Instead of sugary cereals, try oatmeal with nuts, eggs with whole grain toast, or a smoothie packed with greens and protein. Starting your day with nutritious foods ensures steady energy levels and better metabolism. 1. Listen to your body. Your body is smarter than you think. Pay attention to hunger and fullness cues instead of eating out of habit or emotions. Many times, we eat out of boredom, stress, or social pressure rather than true hunger. Cravings often signal nutrient deficiencies, so nourishing yourself with the right foods can help reduce them. Practice mindful eating by chewing slowly and savoring each bite. When you respect your body's signals, healthy eating becomes effortless. Making healthy eating a part of your daily life doesn't have to be difficult or boring. It's all about small, smart choices that add up to a healthier, happier you. By focusing on whole foods, staying hydrated, controlling portions, and listening to your body, you'll feel more energized, think more clearly, and improve your overall well-being. Remember, it's not about perfection but progress, and every step you take toward better eating habits makes a difference. So which of these tips are you excited to try first? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing health tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.